Hello and welcome to FundSage, the debt mutual fund assessment platform created by ASCII. The reason we've created FundSage is to enable investors assess and evaluate credit risk, interest rate risk, and liquidity risk of all debt mutual funds. In this brief video, I'm going to take you through what's the genesis of it and what all you can do on FundSage. Firstly, the big realization that a lot of Indian investors had in the last 1.5 years that debt mutual funds aren't quite risk-free, contrary to much of our expectations. We've realized painfully that NAVs of debt mutual funds can actually fall by big numbers on a given day, month, or a quarter, and negative returns aren't that unheard of in debt mutual funds anymore. So it's important to realize that there are risks in debt mutual fund investing, but they are not all the same. So we want to highlight what debt mutual funds have in terms of credit risk, interest rate risk, liquidity risk. And these differ quite a bit from one category to another and inside a given category from one scheme to another. That's what we're looking to highlight. What we can do on FundSage, quite a lot of things actually. Firstly, you can evaluate a single debt MF scheme for its various risks. You can evaluate multiple funds and build a portfolio for your needs, customized to your specific needs, whether it's to park money for the short term or it is to actually allocate the strategic debt component of your overall portfolio. You can also deep dive into the company level holdings of a debt mutual fund and see how risky or safe each of these companies is. You can compare different funds in a given category or even across categories which are similar and see how funds stack up in terms of risks and rewards. Lastly, you can take a quick look at multiple funds put together and how that portfolio behaves in terms of concentration and so on. Here's a quick snapshot of a fund, just part of the report, which highlights the credit risk, interest rate risk, liquidity risk, various parameters, its risk map as we call it in terms of residual maturity and credit risk, a few facts. You can also look at, there's a lot in the report after that, but towards the end we have the so-called final word in terms of risks and returns. Where does it stack up vis-a-vis its peers and other major categories of funds? There is this and several other details in the single fund report. Across funds, you can compare by category and see how returns stack up, various risks stack up, total score stack up, the ratio of returns to risk stack up across a given category or multiple funds across different categories. So here's a brief note on what we could do on the fund, but there is a lot more that can be done on the platform. So we invite you to take a closer look and let us know your comments, feedback, suggestions at ascii.systems@ascii.in. Once again, welcome to FundSage, and we hope that you are able to navigate the world of debt mutual funds a bit better on account of FundSage. Thank you.